Sending money via Remitly to GCash in the Philippines is really easy, and all you'll need is your recipient's mobile phone number as well as their first and last name. You'll obviously need to download the Remitly app, and you can do this by clicking the link in the description box below the video. Once it's downloaded, you'll need to open the app and register an account. After you're registered and logged in, you just need to click Get Started. Then select Mobile Money and enter the amount you wish to send. Make sure that's correct and click Continue. And then click GCash. Enter the recipient's name, so that's the person you're sending money to. Click Continue and now enter their mobile phone number. Make sure that's correct, and if you want them to be notified that you've sent them the money, then click Yes. Now enter your address and click Continue. Enter your phone number and click Continue. Now you have to pay for the transfer. Try to avoid using a credit card, as it's possible your bank may charge you a fee for this. The best option is either a debit card or via bank transfer, and I'm going to select Apple Pay and use my debit card. It's really important that you now double check your transfer details to make sure everything is correct. If you're happy, then you can confirm the transfer and select Pay. And that's it, your money is now safely on its way to a GCash wallet in the Philippines. If you want to find out more on sending money to the Philippines, then check out this video. And if you found the video useful, please remember to give it a thumbs up. Goodbye.